All right, today we're talking gear. Out in front of us, we've got what you get when you come to Kentucky Welding Institute. Well, we've got some specialty items on the table right now. We've got some upgrade stuff. KWI has partnered with Heavy Hitters TIG rigs, Outlaw leather, and Up and Smoke welding apparel. Actually, talk to us about that.
Right, so the Heavy Hitters two-piece rig, you can buy from our e-commerce store the 250 or the 150. If you want to do an upgrade on our bucket, the 150 is where you're at. If you're talking about Outlaw leather, a world of stuff that these one of the guys down there can do for you, but the KWI logoed Outlaw leather hood, flip lens, so you don't have to fool around from doing grind and weld, and from Up and Smoke welding apparel, the Zesto shirt, an awesome blue FR color with great Kevlar stitching, and for the KWI it's double logoed, Up and Smoke logo, KWI logo, and the red stitching, which can only be found KWI.
Hey, so you can see all these crazy awesome gear you're getting with the Kentucky Welding Institute. You can upgrade with some of our great partners. These 3 items are actually part of our Triple Crown Award program too. So if you get perfect attendance, then you get to pick some Up and Smoke welding gear. If you get the Golden Arm hood, then you've got 6+ certifications and you're getting with a fully colored logoed hood. And then if you get those 2 and 30 days worth of verifiable work experience within 3 months after graduation, we'll send you a 250 amp TIG rig for free. Every one of these items, the ones that we give out, are well worth over 150 bucks retail. So you're getting, you know, if you're a cat that's a cut above, then you could cut out of here with $450, $500 worth of gear on the back side, and that's to boot being just a great individual. And those 3 things are things that companies really respect and admire. Again, that perfect attendance, which is where you get the Up and Smoke, am I right? Yeah. That hard work ethic, that's where you get that Golden Arm hood. And then again, if you hit the ground running, lean forward, self-starting individual, motivated, then you're gonna get that Heavy Hitters 250 amp TIG rig.
Right. So if you want a school that rewards your hard work, KWI is where you're at.
It's the most American thing we can do, is reward hard work. Come on.